we moved on. Thought we'd come somewhere for a little bit of excitement, thrills, spills, and a rather large beach and pier. Welcome to Paignton. If I was hungry, I think I'd be having some of the fish and chips. Here we go, Elaine. I want to be big. Sounded wrong, didn't it? That was the pier. Action packed. Over in that direction is Torquay. And behind us now is Paignton Pier. This is Preston Green. Lots of little beach huts ready to hire in the summer. Someone is about to go for a dip. It's March, it's cold, and he's mad. Oh, they're mad. I just noticed someone's already in. Okay, we're heading up towards the harbour now of Paignton. Arguably the quieter end of Paignton. With a little bit more history to the town. Less action, more peace.